Assalamualaikum class 5. I hope you all are doing great class. So today is 1st of June 2021 and today is Tuesday. Fine? Okay. So class, yesterday we discussed about the HCF of three numbers by using prime factorization. Isn't class? Okay, so I have an example. First number is 70, 98 and 154. And I want to find the HCF of three numbers by using prime factorization. So first of all, who will tell me what is HCF stands for? HCF stands for class? Who will tell me? Yes, Abu Bakar, you tell me. Very good. HCF stands for highest common factor. Isn't class? Highest common factor. And what is prime factorization mean? Prime factorization का क्या मतलब है? Very good. Prime factorization is finding which prime numbers multiply together to make its original number. Fine. ऐसे प्राइम नंबर्स जिनको हम आपस में मल्टीप्लाई करवाते हैं और उससे जो हमें आंसर मिलता है वो एक्चुअल में क्या होता है, उसका ओरिजिनल नंबर होता है. फाइन. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू टेक फर्स्ट नंबर विच इज 70 बाय यूजिंग प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन. If you look class, its unit end with 0. So it simply means it is divisible by 2. हमने ये divisibility का रूल पढ़ा था ना. If the unit ended with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, so we can say this number or that number can be divisible by 2. Now 3 2 times 6, 1 यहाँ shift हो जाएगा which will make 2-digit number which is 10. Now 3 5 times 10. Oh sorry, 2 5 times 10. Now class, if you look, the unit ended with 5 and we have discussed if the unit ended with 0 and 5, so we can simply say that number will be divisible by 5. Fine. So I am going to write 5 here. 5 7 times 35. 5 7 times 35. Fine class? Okay. Now if you look, we have 7 in the end. So should I say 5 is divisible by 7? No. So that's why I will take 7 1 times 7. Fine. So this is how we can solve 70 by using prime factorization. Now the next number which is 98. I am going to take 98 by using prime factorization. So class, if you look, the unit ended with 8. So 2 4 times 8 and 1 यहाँ चला जाएगा which will make 2-digit number which is 18. 2 9 times 18. So class, if you look, we have 9 in the end which place at unit. 9 जो है वो unit place पे है. सो मैं कह सकती हूँ कि ये जो है एक इवन नंबर है. नो, बिकॉज फॉर इवन नंबर वी हैव अ कंडीशन विच इज़ वेरी कंपल्सरी दैट द यूनिट एंडेड विद 0 2 4 प्लेस एंडेड यूनिट प्लेस एंडेड विद 0 2 4 6 8. बट यहाँ तो वो नहीं है. सो 49 जो है वो किस टेबल पे जाते हैं क्लास? वेरी गुड. फॉर नंबर 7. फॉर नंबर 7. 7 times 49. And as you know, 7 is a prime number. It is not divisible by any number except 1. So 7 1 times 7. I will write like this. Fine. Now the third number which is 154. I am going to solve 154 by using prime factorization. Now class, if you look, the unit place ended with 4. It's mean it is divisible by 2. Fine. So 2 7 times 14. 1 यहाँ चला गया, which will make 2-digit number. So 2 7 times 14 again. Now class 77. 77. Is it divisible by any number or a prime number? ये एक प्राइम नंबर है या फिर divisible है ये किसी और नंबर पर? No. So that's why we can say 7 1 times 7 and 7 1 times 7. 11 is also prime number, so it is only divisible by itself. So 11 1 times 11. This is how we can solve prime factorization of 154, 70 and 98. Fine class. Now I am going to find the HCF by using prime factorization. For this, first of all, I will write the product of prime numbers, which is like this: 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 7. इसके जो prime numbers हैं उनको मैं क्या करूँगी? Product form में. Next we have 98 number, and the product of prime numbers is like this: 2 multiplied by 7. So I will write 7 below 7 and 7 also. For next number I have 154. So the product of prime numbers are 2 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 11. Fine class. Now what is the next step? अब next step क्या होता है? हमने common factors find out करने होते हैं, isn't class? So the common factor of in all three numbers we have, if you look class, 2 is common in all three numbers. Fine. Next 5 तो नहीं है हमारे पास. And if we look class, we have 7 again. हमारे पास 7 भी जो है वो क्या है? रिपीट हो रहा है तीनों फैक्टर नंबर्स में, और 2 भी रिपीट हो रहा है. So we can say common factor is 2 multiplied by 7. Common factor is 2 multiplied by 7. In the end we will write highest common factor of 70, 98 and 154 is 14. Fine. So this is all which is related to your previous lesson. Now I am going to move another question, which is from your exercise page number 39. Page number 39. Page number 39, and vertical form which is like this on the board. Fine. आपके पास horizontal में होगा और आप उसको सबसे पहले vertical में लिखोगे. Is it clear to all of you? Fine. So class, according to question statement in which find the HCF for each group of prime factors. So अभी हमने जब क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 किया था which is our last question, by using prime factorization we have to find HCF. So उसमें हम क्या करते थे, वन बाय वन एक नंबर को लेते थे और प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन करते थे. इन दी एंड वी विल फाइंड आउट द कॉमन फैक्टर इन ऑल थ्री ऑफ ग्रुप्स. ऐसे ही, और उसमें से फिर हम कॉमन फैक्टर जो है वो बताते थे, बट कॉमन फैक्टर इज हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर बताते थे. ऐसे ही अब उसने यहाँ पे हमें क्या कहा है, उसने नंबर्स की प्लेस पे दे विल गिव अस नंबर्स इंस्टेड ऑफ ग्रुप्स. ठीक है, वो जो हम प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन वाला सारा प्रोसीजर करते थे कि एक नंबर गिवन होता था, फिर प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन को सॉल्व करते थे, वो प्रोसीजर इसमें गिवन नहीं है. उन्होंने सीधा सीधा आपको प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म में प्राइम नंबर्स दे दिए. फाइन. नाउ वी विल सॉल्व HCF इन दिस ग्रुप. अब वो कैसे सॉल्व करने हैं हम लोगों ने, हमने क्या पढ़ा था, फॉर कॉमन फैक्टर we will mark or circle the common number which is present in all three numbers. एक अब ये ग्रुप है, एक ये ग्रुप है और एक ये ग्रुप है, तो इन थ्री ग्रुप्स में से हमारे पास जो है कॉमन क्या है, 2. तीनों में रिपीट हो रहे हैं. 2 is also repeat in this group. 2 है तो 2 तो इसमें नहीं है कहीं. नेक्स्ट नंबर which is 5 which is repeating in all three groups. So class, to write common factor, if the number is repeat in all three groups, so we will write 2 which is repeat 3 times, but we will write only 1 time. Fine. Then we will write multiplication sign. If you look, this 2 will also repeat in all three groups, so we will write 2 only 1 time. Fine class. Now in the end we will write 5 here, which is like this. Fine. 2 into 2, 4. 4 multiplied by 5. 4 5 times 20. 4 5 times 20. So the HCF of the given group of prime factors we concluded that 20. Fine. 20 हमारे पास कैसे आएगा, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल उसने हमें जो है एक ग्रुप्स दिए हुए हैं प्राइम फैक्टर्स के. वी विल फाइंड आउट कॉमन फैक्टर्स इन ईच ग्रुप. फाइन. फिर उसके बाद हम उसको क्या करेंगे, मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे एंड देन वी विल गेट द HCF ऑफ द गिवन फैक्टर्स. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू टेक अनदर एग्जांपल व्हिच इज बी पार्ट. B part in which class first group is 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. This is my first group. My second group is 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 7. And my third group is 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7. Fine. So class, these three groups which is written in horizontal form. Now first of all we will write into vertical form. Fine. So this is first group, so which is 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply by 5. Fine. Next is 2 multiply by, मुझे एक चीज याद रखनी है, जब भी मैं ग्रुप कर रही होती हूँ फैक्टर्स को, या फिर मैं HCF और LCM फाइंड आउट करूँगी, जब उसके प्राइम फैक्टर्स को मैं लिखूँगी, सो उसका जो वे है वो क्या होगा कि आप जो नंबर है आप उस नंबर को उसके नीचे ही लिखो. ठीक है, सो इट इज इजी टू कैलकुलेट. नाउ 3 multiplied by 5. Fine. and the third multiply by 7, which is this. The next group, which is 2 multiply by 3, multiply by 3, then multiply by 7. So this is the way to write all the groups in vertical form, class. So what is the next step? Who will tell me? Yes, Abdul Muaz, you tell me. What would we do in this question? So class, as you know, for common factor, first of all we will extract common factors. So in this group we have 2, is it? And if you look the next common factor, which is 3. So I will write 2 multiply by 3. अगर आप नेक्स्ट देखो तो उसमें कोई जो है कॉमन नंबर नहीं है जो उन 3 ग्रुप्स में जो है प्रेजेंट हो. फाइन. So the common factor is 2 multiplied by 3 and HCF of prime factors, which is equals to 6. HCF of prime factors equal of this group is 6. Fine class. Now I am going to repeat. You have to be listen very carefully. I have 3 groups. First of all, I will write into vertical form. When I have done to write in these 3 groups into vertical form, I will extract common factors. Fine. मैं क्या करूँगी? कॉमन फैक्टर्स को एक्सट्रैक्ट करूँगी. और हम लोगों ने ये रूल पढ़ा था कि अगर एक नंबर आपके पास रिपीट हो रहा है, सो यू विल राइट ओनली 1 टाइम दैट नंबर. फाइन. ओके. नाउ आई हैव अनदर पार्ट विच इज सी. Which is 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. This is my first group. Second is 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 7. Next is 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 and then multiplied by 5. So this is the part C, which is written in horizontal form. First of all, I will write these groups into vertical form. So first group is 3, 5 and then 5. Fine. Now अब किसकी टर्न है इसकी? I will write the number below as it is. ठीक है, जो नंबर ऊपर होगा मैं कोशिश करूंगी. I will try to write the number which is above as it is. Next number is 5, then 5 and then 7. Next is 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 and then multiplied by 5. Fine class. Now I am going to write extract common factor. So in this, if you look, 3 is repeat. 3 is present in all 3 numbers. So I will write 3 only 1 time. Next number is 5. So I will write multiply by 5 here. If you look, 5 is also repeat in this number, which is like this. So 3 into 5 class 15 and 15 into 5 is 75. Fine. So according to the statement, we have to find the HCF of each groups of prime factors. First of all, we have the groups which is written in horizontal form. Now in first step we will write into vertical form. Then उसके बाद हम क्या करेंगे next step में? Who will tell me? Yes, Abdul Moez, you tell me. Very good. To extract common factors, then we will multiply the factors which is prime. Now in the end we get the answer which is 75. So class, this is all which is related to question number 5. You have to practice all questions, all parts belongs to question number 5 from page number 39 in your notebook. If you find any difficulty, you can ask me. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.